ratio, and proportion. Ratios and proportions are mathematical tools used to compare numbers, quantities, and relationships. While a ratio compares two separate quantities, a proportion shows that two different ratios are mathematically equal. Let's discuss them one by one. A ratio is a mathematical comparison of two or more quantities of the same kind. It tells us how many times one number contains another. There are three ways to write it: with a colon, as a fraction, or in words. In the ratio A, ratio B, A is the antecedent, the leader, and B is the consequent, the follower. There are three golden rules of ratio. Order matters. If the ratio of boys to girls is 10:15, it is not the same as girls to boys, 15:10. Units must match. You cannot compare 50 grams to 2 kilograms until they are both in grams. Then it will be 50:2000. Ratios can be simplified. Just like fractions, divide the digits of ratio by the greatest common divisor. For example, for ratio 8 simplifies to 1:2. Now, what is a proportion? A proportion is an equation stating that two ratios are mathematically equal. While a ratio is an expression, a proportion is a complete sentence. They are written as either of these two forms. Anatomy of a proportion. In the following proportion, A and D are the extremes, the outer edges, while B and C are the means, the middle terms. There is also a fundamental property of proportion, which is cross-multiplication. In a proportion, the product of the extremes always equals the product of the means.